one more scenario. You have semi-monthly income $36 semi-month. Pay date is 31 2024. Your YTD income is here. I'm giving you pay frequency is semi-month. Okay? Now your regular pay is rate 55. Okay, your hours worked are 86.5, and the gross earnings are 55 into 86.5, 4757.55. Okay, now you have shift differential. Rate is $10, hours 0, gross pay, and this is your year to date. Year to date income is $3,000. Shift 0, but in the past you have earned $4,000. Then there is incentive $100. You received $100, and gross you have received 800, and then you have vacation dollar. Rate is 55. 0 in the past have $700, and then you have PTO $55. This time 18 penny. In the previous months you have 55, right? And then you have allowances. Rate is nothing, since you have received almost 5,000 allowance. Now shift gross is 75. Okay, now calculate income based on hour. What is your hourly rate, hourly earning? Based on hourly, what are your earnings? Monthly, okay, month. Then regular month salary and year to date. Please calculate.
Done, sir.
Very good. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done.
Tell me the answer. Who is going to tell first? Chalo, I will do it. You match and let me know who were correct and who were in. Okay. Hourly earnings monthly. 55 is the rate. Multiply by
40.
88.
multiply by
88.
So multiply
88
by
or
40.
86.
40.
86.5.
Whenever we calculate rate per hour, we will multiply it by
40.
multiply by 52, divide by 12. 9533. Hourly formula will remain hourly formula. What is hourly formula? Hourly rate, right? Multiply by 40,
40.
multiply by total number of weeks, and divided by 12. This is gonna remain same for every, because this is hourly formula, right? Now regular monthly salary is 4757. 4757.50 multiply by 2 or multiply by 24. If you multiply by 24, you have to divide by 12. Simple. 4757.50 into 24 divided by 12. That is going to be 9515, right? 9515. Good. Now the third is YTD. For YTD, first what we need to do? 831. Do we need to do something? Nothing. All 8 months, right? What is the total income? 60,000 is what the regular pay, right? Plus shift, because here there is no component, so we are good. But in YTD, we have component. How many component are there? Are we going to include this shift differential or shift?
No.
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Are we going to include the next one? Incentive?
No.
No.
Because it's not the component. Vacation?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then PTO means paid time off. That is equal to earned leave. Are we going? Is that component?
Yes.
Yes. Allowance?
No.
No. We have only these component which we are going to include every time in our regular income. That is called regular component. What are those? If you see leave or vacation or holiday or med leave, means medical leave, and paid time off. These are the 5 component which are of regular income. So whenever we calculate regular income, we are supposed to add them. If it is given in YTD, we should add it into the YTD. If it's in the current income, current period, we should add these component with this income also. So that is the total 60,000 plus 7,000. That is our vacation. Then paid time off is $5,500. That's it. What is our total income? 67.
So it's a 500 or 55?
5,500. Sorry.
I thought that is 500.
Okay, 5,500. Okay, 60,000 plus 7,000
7,000
plus
5,500.
72,500 divided by 8 months, because here there is no day. The complete month, 8 divided by 8, 9062.5.
0.5.
That is your YTD income. Now you have three income: 9533, 9515, 906. If borrower works full hour every pay stub, his income should be 9533, but his income is less, 9551, right? And his YTD is more or less. It is 9062. That means borrower might have less number of working hours in the previous month. This time he has full hours, so his income is almost same. But in the previous month, his income might have been slightly up and down. He might have worked less number of hours. So that is why this is the average income for the last 8 months. So we should go with the 9062. Are we good? Are we clear? Everyone is clear how to calculate weekly income, bi-weekly income, and semi-monthly income, and how to justify the which income we are going to use.
Sir,
Yes.
can you just show the second ones 1 second? Like regular
Which one?
monthly salary. Second ones.
This one?
Regular month. Yeah, that ones.
So 4757.50 into 24 divided by 12. 24 because this is semi-monthly, right?
Yes, sir.
So every month you are going to receive 2 checks. So in the entire year, you will receive 24 checks.
Yes.
So divide by 12 and you will reach here. Even if you wanted to make a shortcut, 4757.50 into 2, you will again reach here.
Okay.
But that doesn't look professional because we are calculating income on a different formula. So you should use multiply by 24 and divide by 12. When you calculate it on a regular basis, then you can just multiply by 2 and can move forward, right?
Yes.
Mostly
Got it.
this will be the question you will be asked during the interview verbally. There you will be telling the, if they ask formula, tell them semi-monthly salary into 24 divided by 12. But if they ask if somebody is earning 5,000 per month, sorry, per semi-month, right? What would be his monthly income? 5,000 into 2, 10,000. Correct. Are we clear with all this? These are the three different type of income calculation, right? So when we calculate through the hourly rate, we are not looking at how much we earned. We are looking at how much we should earn on this rate. Here I am checking according to rate, borrower should earn this, should earn this. I'm just checking this. He should earn this. How much he earned this in this period. But in the overall, this is what is the reality. This is the total work, total earnings he has earned in the last 8 months.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now, so this is what the income, right? We are going to use year to date income for the borrower, for the loan. Now, let's say borrower has these components. Instead of allowance, borrower has received overtime, and that is 5,000. Let it be 5,000. Instead of incentive, borrower has received bonus, and borrower has also received commission in, and that is maybe dollar 300 is the rate, no hours, and this time he earned $300, and overall he has earned maybe $1,200 in the last year. Over time he worked, his rate is $100 per hour. This time he worked 3 hours, so 300 is this time. But overall in the last 8 months he has earned almost $10,000 and bonus. This time there is no bonus, but overall he has earned 18,000 or 1,800 bonus. Now, what is our first? We are not going to include this. We are not including this. These are not regular components. Our monthly regular income, which we are using, that is year to date average income 9062 as our regular YTD income, and we will qualify for. But when I saw total expense are, let's say, $90,000 monthly. Now borrower income is not 19,000 but $1,000. That is the total expense. Present, proposed, all other debts 6,000. Our income is 906. What is our DTI? 6,000 divided by 9062.5. 66.20. That is what our DTI. Our borrower does not qualify with this. If my borrower will qualify, means if instead of this 6,000, if it is 4,000, total expense 4,000, then 4,000 divided by 9062.5, 44%. When my total DTI is 44%, do I need to include or do I need to include these bonus commission? No, I need not to use it, right? But if I have to use these income, then since my TTI is just 44%, I will ignore them. I will not. My borrower is going with regular income. Why should I use additional income? Because if I have to use bonus, overtime, or commission, I need additional document, right? And that could delay the funding, that could delay the loan closing, that could delay the loan approval. So if my borrower is going to be approved only with regular income, why should I unnecessarily use more documentation, delay the file? I will go with the regular income and right, and I will have also that even if tomorrow something happens, I still have bonus overtime and commission income. My borrower will always remain on the approval side. But in the other case, my expense becomes 6,000 or my file expenses are 6,000. So my DTI is 66%. We know maximum is 50%. Mostly for conventional, it's 45%, but sometimes FHA and other can go till 50%. We go with generic 45, but we are at very high, 66.20. Now I don't have, what will I see? Either I reduce the expense, which is not possible. There is no other option. All the expenses are genuine and we have to use them. So 6,000, no option available for what need to be done. I will look for the income. Can I either I have two options to control the DTI. Either I can reduce the expense. Is there any option? No. So I will go and look for the income. Can I increase the income? Is possible. What are the increments? Is there any bonus income? Yes. Is there any overtime? Yes. And there commission also. I can use these income also. For this, what the first condition is for any loan, if we have to use these income, bonus, overtime, and commission income, the first condition I need to meet 2 years of this, what is overtime, bonus, and commission.